So as we know, so the taste sensation is usually tested with the patient tongue protruded out. So if the patient is, we should instruct the patient not to take the tongue inside after putting the substance on the tongue. And if the patient is cooperative enough, we should ask the patient to keep the tongue outside. Whereas if the patient is uncooperative, then we may have to hold the tongue with the gauze piece and keep it outside. Okay. Then the taste sensation has to be examined in 4 different quadrants. On the right anterior two-third of tongue, left anterior two-third of tongue, followed by right posterior one-third of tongue, followed by left posterior one-third of tongue. Because each quadrant has is supplied by different nerve supply. So as we know, the anterior two-third of tongue, the taste is usually carried by the facial nerve, whereas the posterior one-third of tongue, the taste sensation is carried by the glossopharyngeal nerve. Because to avoid the inconvenience to the patient, so we are testing both anterior two-third as well as posterior one-third taste sensation in the same setting. Examination of taste sensation, so which is a part of examination of 7th and 9th cranial nerves. So the common taste sensations what we test are sugar, salt, bitter and sour. So the substances what we use are, for sugar we use a sugar, for a salt we use salt, and for a sour we use either lime or a vinegar, and for a bitter we use a quinine. Okay. So now we can ask the person to identify, if the person is able to identify sugar, is ask him to raise 1, and if he is identify the salt, ask him to raise a 2 finger, and if he is able to identify the sour, next is 3, and if it is able to identify the bitter, it's 4. Okay. After testing each sensation, we should ask the person to rinse his mouth, and then go for the next sensation. Now coming to the exam, testing the each taste sensation. Nalge ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ, nalge ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ. Okay, so as we can see, so he is able to identify the taste. Okay. So after the thing, we ask him to rinse the mouth. Okay. Now we go for the examination of nalge ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ. Next sensation. Nalge ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ. nalge ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ. See, as you can see, he is able to identify the taste sensation. Okay. Nalge ಮುಕ್ಕಳಿಸಿ ಈಗ. So as we can see, so the taste sensation over the anterior two-third of tongue is normal. Now we will go for the taste sensation, testing the taste sensation over the posterior one-third of the tongue. Nalge ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ. So gently pull the tongue out slowly. Now tastefully. Okay, good. Bye, ಮುಕ್ಕಳಿಸಿ. nalge ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ. Okay, next taste sensation over the posterior one-third of the tongue. So as you can see, so he is able to identify the taste sensation normally. So as we can see, so the taste sensation over the anterior two-third as well as the posterior one-third of the tongue, these patients are normal. Coming to the examination of a taste sensation, so which is a part of examination of 7th and 9th cranial nerve. So the common tastes what we use test are salt, sugar, sour and bitter. For a salt, for a sugar sensation, sugar we use a sugar. For a salt, we use a salt, and for a sour we can use a lime or we can use a vinegar, and for a bitter we use a quinine. So these are the common taste sensations what we test, and we can ask the person to raise 1 if it is a salt, and 2 if it is a sugar, and 3 if it is a sour, and 4 if it is a bitter. Or we can also ask him to, if the person is educated, so we can ask him to show the placard, and we can ask him to identify which is the taste sensation. Then after every taste sensation, after testing each taste, so I have to ask the patient to rinse the mouth. Okay, so for that also we have kept the thing ready. Now coming to the examination of individual taste sensation. nalge ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ. nalge ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು ತೋರಿಸಿ, ಯಾವ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಯಾವ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. Yeah. Now after testing the one sensation, so we'll ask the person to rinse his mouth. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಕ್ಕಳಿಸಿ, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಕ್ಕಳಿಸಿ. Coming to the examination of the next sensation. Okay, ನೋಡಿ. ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Okay, so now we can see he is not able to identify the taste sensation over the anterior two-third of the tongue. Now we will ask the person to rinse the mouth again, and now we will go for the testing the taste sensation over the posterior two-third of the tongue. Totally, ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಕ್ಕಳಿಸಿ. Coming to the testing the sensation over the posterior one-third of the tongue. So ask the person to ನಾಯಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೀರಿ, ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡಿ. So as we can see, so for this patient, so the taste sensation over the both anterior two-third and as well as posterior one-third of the tongue is lost.